This video is going to be relatively short, but I do want to address a problem that I'm having with my tractor. Maybe you'll have the same problem with your tractor, and this might be an easy fix, or at least talk about some options. Like most of you guys with a 3-point attachment on your tractor, I like to move some trailers around, and I've been using a drawbar with a ball stuck to the drawbar, and that works out great. However, sometimes this thing wants to rotate upside down on you, and you got to get off the tractor and rotate it back up and then lift it up under the trailer. And it's just one extra step that I really would not like to have to do. They do make an attachment that kind of bolts onto the end here and bolts onto the arm. It keeps this fixed position to your arms. That's great, but it also keeps the angle fixed, so when you raise and lower the drawbar, you end up tipping forward or backwards your ball, so the angle isn't exactly the best. So we're going to make a hitch attachment for this, and we're going to use the top link and try to keep it as parallel as I can with these arms, so that no matter how high or low we put this, the ball stays, up and down, so to speak. Now here's what I come up with without going into too much detail on how to build it, because quite frankly it's relatively simple. I just want to show you how it works, and we'll pick up a trailer with it and see how well it does. And there you have it. Not really a complicated project, and if you like these types of do-it-yourself type videos, please like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos and you might find something you yourself might want to build.